Can we do it?
For most people, flying a drone looks exciting. But for a professional drone pilot, every day is a mix of planning, precision, and responsibility. The day usually starts before the drone even leaves the ground. Pilots first review the mission requirements. Whether it's agriculture, mapping, inspections, or monitoring. They check weather conditions, flight permissions, battery status, and site details before heading to the location. Once on site, preparation begins. The drone is assembled, systems are checked, and the flight path is reviewed carefully. Every mission requires attention to safety, surroundings, and operational planning. Then comes the flight itself. During operations, the pilot constantly monitors altitude, battery levels, GPS signals, and live visuals. It's not just about controlling the drone. It's about making real-time decisions throughout the mission. But the work doesn't end after landing. Captured data must be reviewed, organized, and shared for reporting or analysis. Pilots also inspect equipment, prepare batteries, and document the mission before moving to the next assignment. Through structured training and operational workflows, organizations like Garuda Aerospace support drone professionals working across different industries. Because being a drone pilot is more than flying a machine. It's about managing technology, safety, and precision every single day.